Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Dubsado account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you limit the amount of appointments per day that you can accept through Dubsado scheduling? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to limit the amount of appointments you can take on in your Dubsado scheduling calendar anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe doing consulting, you know that sometimes your appointments or meetings are really intensive, so you can put a limit on how many of them you want to take per day. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Dubsado dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Dubsado, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to limit the amount of appointments you can take on each day, it's going to be handled in the scheduling calendar. Check my video description. I'll try to leave all this information there. So here on the left side, you're going to click on templates. Once you do that, you want to click on scheduler. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of your scheduling calendars here. Or if you want to add a new one, you can click here, add template. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and just edit one that I already have right here. Just click on the scheduling calendar. Once you click on it, it's going to pop up here on the right. And then to limit the amount of appointments that you can take per day, you're going to click here on advanced. All right, once you do that, you want to scroll down until you see this section, appointment details. So this is where you can limit the amount of appointment you can take per day. You can see mine by default is 4, but let's say you want to go ahead and increase that to 5. You just increase it to 5, and then you want to scroll down to the bottom and click on save. You should see a pop-up right here, appointment template successfully saved. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to limit the amount of appointments per day that you can take in your Dubsado appointment scheduling calendar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.